A very good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Today I will explain the factors which affect the demand of the commodity. So there are so many factors which affect the demand of the commodity. First is the price of the commodity. Suppose if the commodity is X, so the commodity's own price is one of the factor which affects its demand. Suppose here I'll take the example of potato. If the price of potato increases, then its demand falls, and vice versa. If the price of potato falls, its demand rises. So there is an inverse relationship between price and demand of a commodity. If the price of X commodity increases, its demand falls. And when the price of X commodity falls, its demand increases. So both price and demand, these two variables moves in opposite direction. It shows the inverse and the negative relation. So price of commodity X is one of the factor which affects its demand. Now the other factors which affect the demand of the commodity is, first is price, second is income, then taste and preference of the consumer, then consumer expectation. Here price of the related goods, not the commodity's own price. Commodity's own price, this I have discussed. If there is change in commodity's own price, then its demand affected. So this is one of the factor which is affecting the demand. And apart from this factor, the other factors are price of related goods, then income of the consumer, then taste and preference of the consumer, and consumer expectation. These are the other factors which affect the demand of the commodity. So here first of all I will discuss price of commodity. So other factors being equal, these are other factors which affect the demand of the commodity, keeping these factors constant. So we are assuming that there is no change in other factors, there is only change in commodity's own price. So when there is a change in commodity's own price, there is an inverse relationship. So this is understood with the help of example. Price of X commodity and quantity of X commodity. Suppose if the price of X commodity is 20 rupees, its demand is 5 units. And when the price increases from 20 to 30, its demand falls from 5 to 4. And when the price falls from 20 to 10, its demand increases from 5 to 6. So this table shows the inverse relationship between the price and quantity of X commodity. That when the price is 10 rupees, quantity demanded is 6 unit. When price increases from 10 to 20, demand falls. And when the price falls from 20 to 10, its demand increases. So when, if you see in the diagram, that when we plot this, on x-axis we are taking quantity demanded, and on y-axis we are taking price. So when the price of a commodity is rupees 20, its demand is 5 units. When the price increases from 20 to 30, its demand falls from 5 to 4 units. And when the price falls from 20 to 10, its demand increases from 5 to 6 unit. So this is the demand curve, downward sloping DD is the demand curve. When the price is 20, quantity demanded is 5 unit. And when the price falls from 20 to 10, quantity demanded increases from 5 to 6. So this shows movement along the same demand curve also, that is extension of demand from A to B. And when the price increases from 20 to 30, price increases, then quantity demanded contracts, that is from 5 to 4 units, there is a contraction of demand. So this is upward movement along the same demand curve, and which is also shows that there is a contraction of demand. So this is one of the factor which affect the demand of the commodity.